Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astromoney Guru. Welcome all of you today on 11 January 2022. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So let us first look at the global markets. The US markets were highly volatile yesterday, and if we see the Dow Jones, it made low at the level of 35,639, but during the second half of the trading session, almost all the indices have shown recovery, and it closed by around 162 points down, which was approximately 0.45% down at the level of 36,068. And similarly, things have been seen in Nasdaq and S&P 500. During the first half, they were significantly low, and during the second half, they have shown some recovery, and Nasdaq and S&P 500 have almost closed flattish, but the Dow Jones still closed by around 0.5% down. This was because of the Powell's testimony in Senate and the US inflation data, which are due on Wednesday. Therefore, the high uncertainties in US markets have been seen, and they are going to continue for the next two trading days also. And for the Indian markets also are expected to react on these issues. Also, the US bond 10-year bond yield have crossed 1.8%, and the inflation is expected to be around 7.1%, which is a very big figure for the especially for the developed countries. In fact, 7.1% inflation is very alarming situation for in fact for the developing countries also, but for the developed countries like US, it is more alarming. Therefore, US markets are showing uncertainties from past few trading days. But on the contrary, if we see the Nifties and especially the Indian markets, they are showing good recovery, as because from past many months, especially from October, November and December, these 3 months have experienced profit booking in Indian markets. That shows that all these issues have already been discounted in the Indian markets, and FIs have sold enough amount of their holdings in the Indian markets. And if we see the FIs and DIs data for the yesterday's session, we can see that FIs net sold only by around 124 crores in Indian cash market yesterday, and the DIs net bought around 481 crores in Indian markets in the yesterday's session, which is not showing any big sell-off from the FIs, which will be considered as a positive signal till now. Also, this week the Infosys, Wipro and TCS result will be announced. Therefore, all eyes will be on the results. And if we see the Nifty is currently trading at around 18,000 and is showing flattish move because of the uncertain global cues. But if we see the Bank Nifty is down by around 0.5%, by around 200 points. Therefore, this shows that the banking stocks are under pressure currently. And if we see the Bank Nifty constituents, we can see that all the stocks in the Bank Nifty are in red except the AU Bank. Therefore, Bank Nifty is showing profit booking and showing some pressure, but Nifty is still holding its stand and is trying and struggling to sustain above the 18,000 level. But here the positive signal is that the Nifty is not showing profit booking also. So for the next few trading days, Nifty is expected to continue with its bullish trend. There is no need to worry much about the Nifty, and overall sentiment of the market is expected to remain positive, although some uncertainties can be seen because of the global sentiments and the global events, but the overall sentiment of the Indian stock market is expected to remain positive. Today there is some pressure in the steel sector, as sale is down by around 3 to 4%. Also, Tata Steel is down by around 2.5%. The steel sector is showing significant profit booking. That's because many research institutes have been put up that the in the coming months the steel demand is expected to decrease. Therefore, the steel sector is showing some profit booking and in fact significant profit booking. And as I have said, the overall sentiment of the market is expected to remain positive. Therefore, Nifty 50 is also expected to show further positive move, and it is expected to see the level of 18,050 and 18,100 also in today's session or in the tomorrow's session. So I hope you liked our episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Good day.